No, but it's like... Wait. There it is. And it is... Okay. It is, but... yeah. Dang it, what was the word? I used it earlier. Very... catchy! It's a very... That was so lame. Okay. Just don't too far, I think. Oh. I apologize, I'm just like... Okay, I'll just leave it at that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, I burped. I'm sorry. Oh, I don't know how to say this. Fort Buckle. She sung back. So you should definitely go check that out. And I just kicked the table that my camera's sitting on. Okay. So I kicked the table again. Oh, you can't see. So my hair. Okay, please excuse my hair, it's a mess right now. Oh, I don't know how to describe it. Okay. But sorry. Taking you pay depending on I don't know. It was kind of like mess that up. If you're on yeah. Yeah. Just, you know. On your... Yeah. There you go, we're bringing my videos again. Gosh, I'm sorry. A little bit different. I'm trying to think of what else. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. How do I get this clipboard is really convenient. It's so pretty too, but it's like really convenient. Just like a little thing to... Okay. Sorry. Yeah, just... And don't forget to like with big thumbs up. That would be so much appreciated. And subscribe to my channel to be notified when more videos are coming. Bye!